Okay, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. So, what I got here today is a WTO, Bora WTO 60, and it's a disc brake. So, I've always been a big fan of Campagnolo wheelset. I started with the old Bora Ultra, and then I had the Hyperon. There was a good climbing wheelset. So I used to have the WTO 60 rim brake, and I have that on my C64 rim brake, and I ended up selling it because I dedicated my lightweights wheel set on the C64, and I said let me get the 60 in disc brakes so I could put it on my Basso SV Diamante. I have on the SV right now is the WTO 45. So this one, I got this one from Starbike in Germany, and literally I came home from lunch. They shipped this out to me today, and that's what I have. Nice packaging. It's not the original Campagnolo packaging, but look at the way they package it. I also bought some lightweights water bottle in black. I have the white ones already, but you know, might not get the black one. Right, they got you some candies in here. They usually do that. I think this is a way better packaging than the original. So all of these comes in the bag, wheel bag, and of course you have your accessory small bags in here. You got everything for the do it as a tubeless. You got your all the parts you need in there. For the money, I think the Bora 60 is it's a good buy. I know they came out with the Bora Ultra, which is, I don't know, like 2,500 or even three grand. It goes up to 3 grand. So this has what I like about the Campagnolo rim, like the Fulcrum Win 55, which I do have the 55 too. Is look at the inside of the rim. You don't need a tape with that. And this has I think a 19 internal, and then a 27 external. I'm gonna use, of course, my favorite tires, the Veloflex tires. I'm gonna run tubeless for this, and I've been lucky with tubeless. Never had a flat for a couple of years now. I've been running tubeless, but just look at the rim. The finish on that rim, it's very nice, like one of those piano keys. And of course I have the Campagnolo. I run Campagnolo on all my bikes. So it's another pair of wheel set that, I mean, you guys should check it out. And Fulcrum too is it's like a sister company of Campagnolo. If you want a bang for the money for your wheel set, Win 55 is one of the wheel set that I would pick. The rims is made by, I guess, by Campagnolo, because they almost have the same size, and the bearings are smooth. So this is the disc brake Bora WTO 60 in disc brakes, and it will be on the SV Diamante that I have, and just be sharing what I got today, guys. And I still have a bunch of parts, and stay tuned for my I'm building, and I have a project gravel bike that's coming out soon, and I have a few parts already, and I'm waiting for just a few more, and of course I'm waiting for the wheel set, and I'll do an unboxing on that of the new wheel set. So thanks again for watching, and